In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a DocuSign document before sending. First, open DocuSign and sign into your account so you can access the sending workspace. Once you're inside, click on Agreements. This area is where DocuSign organizes the documents you've created, sent, or saved. It's basically the main place you'll use to manage anything related to your envelopes and signing requests. From there, look for the Drafts section. Drafts are documents that have been prepared but not yet sent out to recipients. That's important, because anything in drafts can still be updated. If a document has already been sent, your editing options will be much more limited, so drafts is the right place to make changes before anything goes out. Click on Drafts, then find the specific document you want to update. Once you locate it, click Continue. This will open the Setup Envelope page where you can make the changes you need before sending the document. On the Setup Envelope page, you can review and modify the envelope details. If you need to update who will receive the document, click Add Recipients. Here, you can either edit the details of an existing recipient or add a new one. If you're adding someone new, enter their information carefully so the document reaches the right person and the signing order, if used, still makes sense. You can also update the message that will be sent along with the envelope. This is useful if you want to clarify instructions or adjust the email subject and message before sending. After making your recipient and message changes, review everything to make sure it looks correct, then move on by clicking Next. Add Fields. Now give the document a moment to load. On this screen, you can update the fields that appear on the document itself. This includes adding new required fields or adjusting existing ones. In this example, we're adding a signature field for the new recipient. Click Signature, then drag and drop that field onto the correct place in the document. After placing it, make sure you assign it to the correct recipient so the right person is prompted to sign there. Next, click Date Signed to add a date field. Drag and drop it into position near the signature area, then assign that field to the same recipient as well. This helps keep the signing section complete and properly connected to the person who needs to fill it out. Once you've finished, review all of your changes carefully. Double-check the recipients, the message, and the field placement inside the document. When everything looks good, you can either click Send to deliver the document right away, or choose Save and Close if you want to come back and finish later. And that's how to edit a DocuSign document before sending. Thanks for watching.